Hey guys, welcome back to our level 6 math. Today we're doing lesson 117. We're almost done. Only 120 lessons, so we're right there to the end. This one's going to be finding a whole when a percent is known. We've done problems kind of like this before, grouping problems, but this is going to be slightly different. So look at the following fractional part problem. 2/5 of students in the class are of boys. If there are 10 boys in the class, how many students are in the class? Now we can draw a diagram to help understand this. So here we've looked at, if we know there's 2/5 are boys, we can do 5 parts, right? And then we can look at the 2/5, those are the boys, and then 3/4 will be girls. We're solving for how many students are in the class. Well, if we have 2/5 boys, and hold on. Oh, if there are 10 boys. I knew there was more information we needed. If there are 10 boys, then we know if there's 2 parts and there's 10 total for the 2 parts, there has to be 5 in each part. Now we can just extend that into the other parts, 5, 5, 5, and just add it up. When we look at our 5 times 5 is going to be 25. So we know there's 25 total students in the class. So we're just filling in the information we know after we've drawn a diagram. Let's try that again. 3/8, so we're going to have 8 parts of the townspeople voted. If 120 townspeople voted, how many people live in the town? So let's draw this out. First, we need to come up with 8 parts. We know that, how many voted? 3/8. So if 3/8 voted, 5/8 didn't vote, let's look at the 3/8. Of the 120, if that represents 3/8, then we can put that into 3 parts, divide 120 by 3, and that means each part's going to be 40. Now we can just extend that out. 40 times 3 is 120, so we know that it checks out. Now we can just look at how many people total. We just add that up and we have 40 times 8, which is going to be 320 people. Okay, so then we can fill that in up here, 320 people. Am I going kind of fast? This is kind of crazy. Now, let me go back to this. Do we ever in the real world have problems like this? Kind of. We do have things where we have to find the hidden, the unknown variable. Are we typically going to set it up by drawing this out? No, we're not. In the real world, you almost never do it this way. But understanding why we do it this way by breaking it into parts, that's going to help you visualize in your head so that you can solve these kinds of problems more easily in the future. So is this a helpful exercise? Yes. Will you actually ever use this in this same way in the future? No, probably not. All right, last one. 6 is 2/3 of what number? So we know we're going to have 3 parts, and we're looking for the total number. So if we have 2/3 is 6, 6 divided by 2 parts is 3 each, and then if the third part is 3, then obviously 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. 6 would be 2/3 of 9. That's it. All right, so that's the whole lesson. We're just going to practice solving problems like this today for your homework. Good luck.